Hi there, YouTubers. This is Chris with Chris's Trains and More. Just wanted to show you some of the stuff that I got from the Lakeland Community Train Show, Railfest 2022. Some of the different things that we brought back. And we also made a trip to CW Trains in Mentor, Ohio. Picked up a couple of items. As I said before, one of my favorite spots. Neat little farmer's market. Nice pacemaker piggyback. Neat little hand car. Macy's Day Parade. Box cars. This is my $5 pile or less. Picked up the 1953 American Flyer catalog for $5. We turned around and picked up these neat little vehicles, $3 a piece, along with the MASH tent, $4.77. A couple of $5 cabooses. Bunch of New York Central flat cars. Rawlings baseball. JCPenney flat cars. Cool cars. Some signals. Halloween car for HO. 76 car tanker car. It's a kit. On a Ward Kimball boxcar for American Flyer. Brand new. That's something pretty cool. Union 76. Toys R Us. Union Pacific track cleaning boxcar. That's pretty cool. We got a tank car. A couple of half tracks. This truck was also $5. Picked up an ornament, one of the Hallmark gold ornaments. Pretty neat. One of the Atlas custom switches, a Y. Found that for $10, brand new. My wife, who hasn't been at the train show for probably about 17 years, she won a door prize. So we picked out this Chesapeake and Ohio boxcar kit that I got to put together. Also found these nice display cases. This one was $10. The other one was $5. It's actually got some scenes on the inside of it and some track. Found the MTH Firehouse, brand new. Some more Disney cars. Found a Woodland Scene Mountain Valley scenery kit, a Monopoly aquarium car, and of course the MTH Hellgate Bridge. Picked this up for an amazing price of $95. It's brand new, never used. And he also threw in a photograph of the Hellgate Bridge. My big score. And last but not least, got a 72 Gargraves stainless steel track. All brand new in the box. Guy turned around and told me $40 for that. Couldn't walk away from that. So, as always, if you like the video, please click the like button. If you have any comments or anything, you can turn around and type those in at the bottom. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day.